Today I will explain to you the size of the reserved water pipe of the head therapy bed and a process of installation. First of all, when we decorate, we should bury the water pipe in advance at the bottom of the bed of the head therapy bed. The pipe position we probably reserved lengths between 1.66 meters to 1.7 meters. If we had already installed a water heater, we are gonna need a cold water pipe and a hot water pipe. This is a cold and hot water pipe for our head therapy bed faucet. This cold water pipe needs to be connected to this position of the cold water. The hot water pipe is connected at this position. The drain pipe is placed directly in this position. We have one now, a function of the water cycle. Let's plug it in first. When this indicator lights up, start spa work. We have another pattern here, an adjustment of the gear, a regulation of temperature, and we have a light therapy. Now let's take a look at our model. We have this metal ring. It can be adjusted up and down at will. We have a pillow. It can also be flipped. You can also push and pull. Usually we use the process. There's definitely one detail you need to pay attention to. At one of the outlets of the water cycle, there's a filter. When you're cleaning up, make sure use a guest to clean up. Be careful not to let the hair or the residue flows into the water intake. First, connect the pipes. The pipe between the machine and the cover cannot be folded, otherwise the steam won't come out. Then add water and turn on the fumigator. On the right is the adjustment of the temperature gear. On the left is the adjustment of the time gear. It can be controlled according to actual needs. Be sure to clamp the lid tightly before use. Other styles of electric massage beds, it's the same way. Heat for a few minutes. Steam will come out soon.